Medyo magulo pa guys kasi may dumating. May dumating na hi guys, Coach Matt here, no. Magbe-build lang ako ng something, no. Medyo excited ako dito sa binibuild kong to kasi matagal ko nang gusto to. Pero alam mo naman, may mga priorities tayo that there need to be done first before we do this. So, tinitignan ko yung tools ko baka kasi mamaya magkamali ako ng alignment. Ayan, okay. Ngayon, meron tayong bagong chair na gagamitin. Dati naka-monoblock lang ako sa taas. Tapos may tinry akong i-fix na office chair. Kaso beyond repair na siya. Nung una yun yung inaasahan ko pero wala eh. Hindi na siya pwede. And ito, ngayon, mukhang napaaga yung Pasko, no? Meron tayong leather na gaming chair. Honestly, yung yung story behind that, no, yung gaming chair. Matagal na yun, nung pandemic ko pa yun, actually wanted to have one. And slowly but surely, no, nandito na siya. wala lang stock talaga yung orange, pero still, no, galing. Kahit na delay, dito na ang importante dumating pa din. And sometimes it's also a great analogy, no, na dun sa fruit of labors natin. Maaring medyo matagal lang siya mag-reap ng harvest, no, pero alam mo yun, may pinagpupuntahan talaga yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. No, as long as you put your heart into it, put a bit of consistency in it, passion in what you're doing, magbe-bear talaga ng fruit yan. Trust that process that you're doing the right thing every single day.